Still so many parts, my God. What's up, guys? It's been a while, so 2022, we are already here, and my car still is not running, hasn't moved in months. I haven't even driven it in months. Actually, the battery's dead now too because it's been sitting so long, but it's gonna give you guys a little quick update on some stuff. If you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or even just see all the posts I upload on the YouTube post thing, I recently just finished rebuilding my 6-piston Brembos and getting all of that stuff together. Those will be getting installed this week. Probably, let's see, today's Monday, probably installing those Wednesday or Thursday. As far as getting the car running, I have all of the cam sensors and crank sensors, whatever. They're right there. I just have to put them in. So my thought is, since I got to pull all that to just make it easier for me to install the sensors, I have an extra lower intake runner that I'm going to port and install. So I'm gonna port out and install a brand new lower intake runner. And I figured the one that I pull off of my car, I'm gonna clean up, port it, and might do that as like a giveaway thing, or maybe I'll just sell it for cheap, something. I might do a giveaway or like a contest or something, I don't know. I'm thinking about it, but I will be doing that. So I'll finally get the car running. Headlights, finally getting my OEM headlights back from retrofit. It's been a long time, but I'm finally getting them back, hopefully here next week. Been talking with the guy quite a bit. So these eBay ones, I've already actually bought some stuff. I'm gonna retrofit these. I'm gonna put another projector in it, do crazy LEDs, all this other stuff, and I'll either keep them as an extra set, or I might sell those or give away as well to one of my, one of the subscribers or something. Think about that. And then as far as everything else, it's just getting this car cleaned up, getting all these parts installed, because I am now, I guess, a secretary or something for the ZCCA. And if you don't know what that is, you can look it up. It's a big nationwide Z group, Z organization. And just within the past few months, me and a group of, I think we're like 30, 40 people, we all registered to be associated with them, and we got accepted. So now we have our own little chapter. So coming up here in the next warmer months, we're going to be doing a lot of car meets, a lot of events, which means it's going to be a ton of content for you guys. So that's kind of motivation for me now to kind of get my butt in gear and finally start working on this thing. And because I got to get it running, especially if I'm secretary of this group, I got to show up with a car. So start getting ready for these videos to start rolling out, and we're gonna make a whole lot of progress on this thing. So be getting a lot of motivation, and I've been doing just a lot of little stuff on the side, which like I said, with these retrofitting the lights, my brakes, getting stuff together. I've been doing a lot of stuff on the side now. I'm gonna start putting it all together and get you guys some content. So be on the lookout. I know I haven't posted anything, and I've said before that I was gonna post a lot more. But yeah, it's now that I actually have something to do and actually do something with my car, that's giving me motivation to actually work on it. So be on the lookout for those videos. So that was just a quick little update for you guys, where I'm at, where the car's at, which has just been sitting here for the past few months. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
Didn't even get to bronze.